Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to justify text in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps, then create your document. Now you can see here are my document. Now I justify text in this document. Now you can see here are many text. All are center aligned. Now I align this text to justify. See, at first you have to select this text, then you can see here are align drop down menu. Click this align drop down menu and you can see here are justify align. Just press it. Now click outside of this text. Now you can see I justify text in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.